Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a complete beginner's guide to managing your diabetes through a low-carb diet. This video will provide expert tips to help you take control of your health. What is diabetes, and how does carb intake affect blood sugar levels? Diabetes is a condition where the body cannot properly regulate blood sugar levels. Eating too many carbs can spike blood sugar levels because carbs are broken down into glucose. In diabetes, the body has trouble managing this glucose, leading to hyperglycemia. Benefits of a low-carb diet for diabetes. There are many benefits to following a low-carb diet if you have diabetes. 1. It improves insulin sensitivity and lowers blood sugar levels. Less carbs means lower demand for insulin. 2. Reduces hemoglobin. A1C levels. This test measures your average blood sugar over a 3-month period. 3. Suppresses appetite and leads to weight loss. Lower carb diets are associated with reduced hunger hormones. 4. Reduces risk of diabetes complications like kidney disease, nerve damage, and stroke. Tips for starting a low-carb diet. If you want to start a low-carb diet, here are some tips. 1. Gradually reduce your overall carb intake to less than 130 g daily. 2. Drastic cuts can lead to fatigue and cravings. 3. Focus on getting carbs from nutrient-dense, high-fiber sources like vegetables, nuts, seeds, and some fruit. Avoid processed and sugary carbs. 4. Increase healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, and fatty fish for satiety. 5. Eat plenty of lean protein like chicken, fish, eggs, and Greek yogurt to help retain muscle mass. 6. Drink lots of water and watch sodium intake, as low-carb diets reduce water retention. Sample low-carb meal plan for diabetes. Here is an example of what a daily low-carb meal plan may look like. Breakfast: eggs cooked in olive oil with sautéed spinach, avocado. Lunch: a big salad with grilled chicken, olive oil and vinegar dressing, nuts and berries. Dinner: baked salmon, steamed broccoli, cauliflower rice. Snacks: celery sticks with nut butter, cheese cubes, berries. Drinks: water, unsweetened tea, black coffee. Lifestyle tips. Here are some other tips for success. Check blood sugar regularly to see the effects of your low-carb diet. Keep records to identify patterns. Incorporate movement every day like walking, yoga, or bodyweight exercises to improve insulin sensitivity. Consider intermittent fasting by limiting eating to an 8-hour window to improve insulin sensitivity. Meet regularly with a doctor or dietitian to monitor your progress and make adjustments as needed. A low-carb diet can be incredibly helpful for managing diabetes by lowering blood sugar and reducing the need for medication. Start slowly and focus on making sustainable changes. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more diabetes-friendly nutrition tips. Thank you for watching.